Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Franklin, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has extended the flash flood warning for Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Madison Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern Catahoula Parish in northeastern Louisiana, east central Richland Parish in northeastern Louisiana, eastern Franklin Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Warren County in west central Mississippi, central Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Vicksburg, Tallulah, Redwood, Delhi, Dualton, St. Joseph, Wisner, Waterproof, Mansford, Lee Bale, Laterno, Flowers, Omega, Bakers, Helena, Lake Bruin, Youngton, Oak Ridge, Somerset and Bovina. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Franklin and Richland. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has extended the flash flood